Z Money.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Z Money, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can make money online just by playing games. So if you're new here, please leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications so that you can get notified every time I post a new video, because you don't want to miss this. So this is the payment proof that I got from this app. This is the lowest amount that you can withdraw, though there has been an update, so the lowest that you can withdraw now is 0.200 US dollars, but this is in Canadian dollars. So let me show you how you can do this by your own. So guys, in this app there are a lot of options for you to choose from on how you want to earn money. So the first one that I like using is by playing games. You're going to find the games in the iron source. And the second one is by answering short quizzes. You're going to find them in the fiber. Then you can also watch 50 videos per day. These videos are actually ads that play for about 30 seconds to 50 seconds. So after watching one ad, you're going to get 20 coins. Then you can watch up to 50 videos, which is about 500 coins per day just from watching ads. And then you have savers in the in-brain and in the top research. So savers differ from every user depending on your geological location. So as for me, I'm in Zambia, so I don't get a lot of savers, but if you live in countries where savers are being looked after as important, you can get a lot of savers from there as well. So guys, I just watched an ad, so I'm going to show you what to do after watching an ad. You need to click cancel, then click on coins. Once this loads, you need to go back to the offers. Okay, so 20 coins have been added to my actual balance, so there I go. That's another way of earning. So once you're done with this, I'm going to show you how you can earn from games. Simple games. These games can be played both online and offline. So for online games, you need to stay up to date with the current offers. So let me show you. So on the offer wall, it says welcome to the offer, rewards condition. These are the rewards conditions. The advertised term is if you completed the offer, and notifies us if you should receive the reward. The app publisher is responsible for granting rewards for completed offers. Rewards are typically delivered within 15 minutes after an offer is completed. If you didn't receive the reward, contact our support. Offers must be started and completed on the same device and in the same browser page where the offer link opens within 60 days or less if stated in the offer instruction page. You must be connected to the internet at all times while working on the offers. Helpful notes for offers involving launching and engaging with a mobile app. So this is what you do, guys. After downloading and opening the app, reopen the offer wall and tap in progress tab. Make sure the offer status has changed to installed before starting the offer. Okay, so after installing the game, you need to go on in progress there. So after there, check the game that you downloaded. I downloaded Candy Crush Saga, so I'll be showing you what I did for it to show that I have installed it before I started playing, so that I can earn the money. So I opened the game, then after opening it, I click the open tabs, then I go back to the same G Rewards application, then switch back and forth on the offer wall until the game shows in progress. That's when you need to start playing the game. So just watch this short clip, then you understand what to do. Once you're done with earning and you want to withdraw, this is what you do. So you go back to you go on redeem, then depending on the amount of coins that you have, you can convert them into PayPal money. So I personally withdrew 0.25 0.25 US dollars, but then that was before the recent update where the number of coins changed. Yeah, so excuse me please, once you reach the required amount, you can withdraw the money that you want. Then they also have gift cards. Depending on the country or your geological location, you can claim a gift card on Tango. Okay, so everybody has a chance to invite their friends on G-Reward. This app is actually called G-Reward. I'll leave the link in the description or the comment section. You're going to find it, the first comment there. So here you're going to find your referral code. You can share this code with your friends and invite other people to join as well. So when you first join the G-Reward, you're not going to have any coins, so you should copy this code here. I'll leave it in the description as well and in the comment section. When you copy this code, you're going to enter it. You should enter it here on enter referral code. After entering the referral code, you're going to receive 500 plus coins. You're going to receive 500 coins that will help you gain coins much faster. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the post notifications and help me get this video to, let's say, 25 likes, and I'll post another video on how you can make money online using other ways. So I'll make the video next week. So bye guys, peace.